cube and cube root kachi any part sumba di jangaira and part sumba di nanglo la tang anzola topic ni mashla amar that the second last topic dire the second last topic di nanglo la anzo khara jangala na we are going to find the least number to be divided 81 to make it a perfect cube or not anzo tayar eta divide chine the least number kesi perfect cube re de remda tayar kesi perfect cube mena and anzo divide share number digira Chisa divide 81 to make it a perfect cube and find the cube root of the product. Any product chigra mare ondi kachi so cube root share. What does say? Okay, so our solution we are going to find out the what? We are going to find out the prime factors of number 81. Ra. So unit place 11 reda. So 3 ki 2 re. 3 2s are 6. Any kazure 3 7s are 21. Again with the number 3, 3 9s are 27. Again with 3, 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Right. So these are the prime factors of a number 81. The number 81 ka chilar. 81 ka chikanzo khat sela na nganzo khat sela na prime factor sere. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. The triplet form la gora. Triplet form la go chamba are tinzo sama triplet la form la lese that number 3 di chik bu khare single la sa so 3 dikhalla na 3 dikhalla la na 3 is the so 3 is the smallest number to be kachalan to be divided la the 3 dikha chalana smallest number chere la divide chere la so anzo khar se hola na we are finding here what we are finding here is we are finding here the cube root of 81 right cube root of 81 gachi anzo khar se na we are divided it with the number 3 so 81 la 3 ki divide ta waina anzo la khar li la na sochu la khar li la our product is 27 ra ta 27 le se 27 दिखा रहा है number रे the number 27 color find the cube root of the product lar 27 kachi so eta khar se la na the number 27 kachi cube root se so we are going to find out the cube root of 27 so 27 ki cube root दिखा ले लेना and cube root of 27 की factors ta wai na lar casing so 27 की prime factor ta na and 3 3 3 3 times ऐसा so 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 na so we can only take it once so cube root of 27 is a 3 go to say so 3 is your answer this 3 is your answer this is how you are going to find out whether the given number is a perfect cube or not if the number is not a perfect cube then you are going to make it a what with the help of a you are going to divide it with the help of a smallest number that did the devayagyo not you work hashish ten rounds la on the solve cheruche injimiji okay that you thangbo di khare la na and you thangbo di gyada sumsonga tiwa niwa di khare la na tyungya shi 704 tiwa sumba di khare la na ani gyada ni sab ge che ra tiwa shiwa di khare la na gyada gupchu koi dinzo tiwa shi di khantes share la na and thangbo prime factor se jana and khachel na prime factor ki chula nganzo khachel na ani least number chi gram ra smallest number di ki and number dela prime factor ragyo dinzo la and khachel la na and number dela and divide tang samba product chi gram ra and product chi ragyo dela nganzo khachel na nganzo product ragyo de nganzo perfect cube se ron ta nganzo ki topic thama dikhala na and find the cube root of each of the following number khashish theory and on the prime factorization method phechata ne and cube root se nganzo era pena cha shanalar ta nganzo example chile re we are going to find out the cube root of 64 ra ta 64 ki nganzo khar se la na we are going to find out the cube root of 64 the 64 ki cube root di nganzo la khantes le la na ani prime factorization method phechata ne ra okay the 64 ka ji prime factor se inda okay 2 32s are 2 16s 2 8s are 2 4s are and 2 2s are got it and 2 1s are 2 so prime factors din so khara ra 64 ji prime factors din so khare la na ani 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 times le ko se 5 times le 6 le 4 5 6 okay 6 times le ra okay 6 times le zeng hamzo la tata hamzo prime factor 6 times le sa ta hamzo khat se gola na we are going to find out the what cube root right cube root of 64 ra chesa cube root la khadu ning halas rangzo triplet form la red remi deta re so 2 the 3 times red tela 2 the 3 times red 3 is group na yu sambang hamzo khat chela na the mashi tu samba then chik mesh themer tinzo ki ne common chik the 2 and tinzo ki ne common chik the 2 so 2 2s are 4 ra last la thamala answer hasule se 4 lesa so cube root of 64 ki cube root dikhar chela na and 4 chhe re answer so 4 is your answer go to say this is how you are going to find out the cube root of the following by using a prime factorization the question chik thangbo di chere kone example chik tera and example ni wo the test hana and dijulanga thiwa khashe she thiwa ge she hondi ransol homework chid okay tata ta pena chashana example ni wa chik lawa na okay cube root of 512 scalar so hanzo khat scalar na we are going to find out the cube root of 512 by using the prime factorization method right so 512 kaji sare so 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 2 6s are 12 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 and khazure 2 8s are 16 2 6s are 12 2 4s are right 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are and 2 1s are so khazale se theng guler chikni sum shi nga thuk ting ke ku theng gule se theng gule samba okay 2 multiply 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 2 right so 9 times later so cube root of right so हमसे cube root से सब हल रहे triplet form ला करे ल so 2 दी थे चिक छे ला triplet form ला group ना लो ला ते जो सुनका triplet form ला रे दे छे सा हमसे खार छे लेना यानी cube root of 512 की cube root दिखाते छे लेना and 2 दी थे चिक थे triplet ना लो नहीं रा common ले रे so 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 so 8 रा so cube root of 512 kg and cube root dikhar chalana and gansola answer the ni kele this is how you are going to find out the cube root of the numbers by using a prime factorization method tanga dida dewa yego topic dida dewa yego in thiwa khashe stay ra thiwa gesh no on the inji solve cherish prime factorization method pejitan thiwa gesh ranzora ra in cube root here you're going to find out the cube root of these numbers with the help of a prime factorization method nganzo chi lobse di dagaran zore tuchina shwe samane